this properly.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, so, and then this is our APHLC muffler. It is written APHLC.
Yes, sir.
This also. We have made you APHLC today. APHLC leader. Yes.
All particles.
You have talked to her. She is. She
Yeah.
passed out from Mumbai Tata Institute.
Yes.
From this is
MSW.
MSW. Then another your cousin, if he come, he should come.
He said that if you stay here.
No, but he should come.
He's
The
very
thing
shy.
is that for us, APHLC is that that all tribes people, all tribes people should stay together.
Yes.
That is what it is. Sixth schedule says it is tribal area. It does not say Karbi area. It does not say Dimasa area. It does not say Kuki or Mar area or Garo or Khasi. It is tribal area. So all the tribal people, if we do not stay together, we will be in minority.
Yes, sir.
Karbi Anglong, we Karbi people are already minority. In 1951, we were 88% Karbi was. And all tribal people together, it was 96%. Non-tribal people were only 4%. Now, because we did not implement the sixth schedule, we allowed all the non-tribal people also to come and stay and vote and contest. So now, non-tribal people are actually 53% now. And tribal people is 47% now. Minority already. And in NC Hills also it is going to happen.